Before you continue watching, I want to let you guys know that this video only applies to those of you that have an iPhone. So if you have an Android, this really won't work for you. Also, if you want to win that 30-minute phone call, make sure to leave a comment with ADK. That way I know who's participating and I know who's just leaving a comment just to comment. I wanted to make this quick little video because I started playing around with Siri shortcuts. If you don't know what a Siri shortcut is, it's basically an app built into iOS that automates or helps you speed up actions you make on your phone. For example, here I have a couple. If I click on the first one, it connects to an app called Things 3, which is basically a to-do list, and it will ask me for the title of the video I want to create, and it would automatically make a list with all the steps that goes towards completing that video. And if you click on the three little dots on the top right hand corner, you're gonna see the steps that make up that shortcut, but don't worry, you won't have to do any programming or anything like that. So I came across these two shortcuts that I think some of you guys might find useful, especially for those who are Amazon sellers or just happen to buy things on Amazon. I'm gonna leave the link to both shortcuts in the description so that you can install them. All you have to do is just click on the link below. It will redirect you to the Shortcuts app. Then click on Get Shortcuts, and just like that, it gets added. Same thing applies to the other shortcut. Just click on the link and install. You can add the camera scanner to the widgets and quickly access it from the widgets page or when the phone is locked. And for the Amazon price history, you have to be inside the Amazon app. Click the share icon and select shortcuts. Then just select the Amazon price history shortcuts and it will pull up the price history chart. So if you're reselling on eBay and sourcing from Amazon, you can use the shortcuts to see if you're getting a good deal on that product. You can also use it to quickly check on price trends on that product. There might be a certain times of the year that the product sells for more. So you could wait to see if there's a pattern and wait until the price goes up to start selling that product. Or if you're just planning on buying something, you can use it to see if you're getting a good price on that product or if you should wait till the price drops a little bit more or if you're getting it too overpriced and whatnot. So it's a pretty handy little shortcut. I just thought I showed you guys. So that's pretty much it for the video. Hopefully you guys find it useful, and if you guys have any questions about it, feel free to message me, or if you know of any other useful shortcuts, make sure to leave them down in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next one.